Hello friends! Today I tried to clean my grandmother's dirty oven with Dr. Beckmann Oven and Grill Power Gel. This oven cleaner was recommended to me by the saleswoman at the store as an excellent product for cleaning a burnt-on oven. Let's see if she was honest. First, I removed all the excess metal parts on the tray from the oven. Since this oven also has a microwave function, my grandmother made it really dirty very quickly. Once the excess parts were removed, I sprayed everything with the magic cleaner. I also used a sponge to help spread the product over the entire surface. The instructions say to leave it to work for 20 minutes. After the specified time, I opened the oven and hoped for a miracle. However, to get the most stubborn stains off, you have to apply a lot of elbow grease. As a result, the oven has become only slightly cleaner. If you can recommend a better oven cleaner, write your tips in the comments below. Otherwise, I won't be able to please my grandmother with a job well done. If you want to see more similar videos, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching.